This video is a sign that you need to stop operating from this fear mindset. You can't live your life being afraid of doing things, of experiencing uh, your life, the true essence of life. You can't live your life in fear. I'm not asking you to risk it all. I'm just asking you to take calculated risk so that you can shift your reality, so that you can move from comfort zone to pushing your limits. You can't live your life by being where you are and staying there forever. Trust me, we already have enough majority of population who is doing this, who is living, who is just surviving their time on this earth. But I don't want you to be one of them. I want you to push your limits. I want you to buy what you want to buy, do what you want to do, experience what you want to experience. You've got to have faith in you, in supreme power, in your God. You have got to have courage to live extra, a little bit of extra every single day. You can't have a monotonous life without any purpose, without any passion, without true love. So please stop holding yourself from following your passion just because you're so scared of losing, because you're so scared of failing. Don't do that to yourself. You're not made for that. I want you, each one of you, to experience the best experiences in this world. I want you to have people who truly love you, who truly believe in you, who truly think good about you. I don't want you to be bothered about what will people say, or if they like you, or if you fit in. I want you to be yourself. I want you to love yourself so that you can find true love. And you can't love, trust me, you can't love yourself if you are scared, if you're too scared to live this only life. Because there is no guarantee, right? There is no guarantee whether you are going to have this human life in the next birth. There is no guarantee if you will be able to see uh, tomorrow's morning. There is no guarantee. You have got to start thinking about life. You've got to start thinking about what's stopping you to experience life. It's weekend, right? I want you to take out your pen, your diary, and write down your fears one by one. Just write down and ask yourself, why are you so scared of these things, and what can be done to overcome those fears, and what exactly I want to have in my life, what exactly I want to experience in my life. You have got to do that. So find this video as a sign to finally start living, start prioritizing your success, start prioritizing your mental health, your physical health. I'm sure you will do it. I'm sure you will be able to find a way, because when there is a will, there is a way. So you will be able to find a way. Spend this weekend working on your inner self, working on your fear, so that you can turn them into your power. And once again, I'm asking you to take calculated risk. I'm not asking you to risk it all, because I understand when you do that, you actually lose your mental health. You can't focus on your growth, you can't do anything. So have faith. in yourself, have faith in God, and just do it. Stop thinking about people, stop thinking about worst case scenarios, just do it. Life is good. Keep this good. Keep your heart pure, but make sure that you have healthy boundaries, because when you have a pure heart, people do take advantage of you. So don't be a victim of people. Don't be a victim of life. Be a victor of life. Start now. And with that note, I would end this video. uh, Today I'm going to Mehndipur Balaji. I'm so excited. I'm so feeling blessed, grateful to go there. And I wish you guys a very happy weekend. Please do share this video with your friends, with your family, and do subscribe, and please follow my channel. Please support my channel. That's all. Bye bye.